and then we'll let some others. From the very beginning of this debate in our state, I made friends with Millie Lace, who runs an abortion recovery center here in the state of Arkansas. If there's one thing that disappoints me during the whole process, it was that their organization was not allowed the ability to participate in the case. The only group of individuals alive today that are closely associated with this situation when abortion occurs are the women who have actually had an abortion and survived that. And with that, I want to introduce Millie Lace to you so that she can speak on behalf of women who have had abortions and speak about her support for the Heartbeat Bill. Millie.
Good morning. When abortion became legal in 1973, women were told that it was a safe, simple solution for our problem. But 41 years later, we know a different reality. We know grief, fear, anxiety, depression, drug and alcohol use, suicidal thoughts, nightmares, relationship problems with spouses and children, and other self-destructive behavior following an abortion. I am Millie Lace, and I'm a licensed counselor here in Arkansas, and I'm also the founder and director of Concepts of Truth and the National Helpline for Abortion Recovery. We were not allowed to intervene in the federal litigation, but we did get to file an amicus brief, and we are represented by Liberty Counsel and the Justice Foundation. I want to say that the 12-week ban has the potential to save thousands of lives. And by supporting the appeal, we become a voice, not only for children in the womb, but I think we become a voice for women because we're going to be protecting women's mental health. In 1979, I had an abortion, and every day since, I have regretted my choice. I have suffered mentally, physically, and spiritually from that abortion experience. I think that we women who have abortions, as we hear on the National Helpline every day, we heard from thousands of callers from all 50 states, Canada, Puerto Rico, and all over the world. We suffer from disenfranchised grief. That means our grief was never allowed. Why? Because it's legal in our country, so it couldn't have been a child, it couldn't have been a baby, it had to be just tissue, and you shouldn't be grieving over that loss. Well, there's been recent studies, for instance, one specifically I want to state from the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center in Seattle that has a phenomenon called fetal microchimerism. This means that cells from the child in the womb actually pass through the placenta of the mother. We carry those cells in our brains for sometimes decades, so our loss is very validated. Also, there's a study in the British Journal of Medicine in 2011 that found that women with an abortion experience an 81% increased risk of mental health problems, and that 10% of all mental health problems can be directly attributable to abortion. As a licensed professional counselor in Arkansas, that concerns me, and I think that I am speaking out here today, and I think that this appeal on this ban will cause Arkansas to be a leader in making abortion rare. It will also help women make an informed choice, and it will protect women's mental health.